Hello my friends and welcome back. I'm Mohsen and you are watching to the new video of the MKR developer channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to implement nested recycler view in your applications. Just like this. I have here a recycler view in the main activity and here 3 more recycler views, and the content is a fake content about the books, bestseller, history and favorite, and you can add more and more categories as you want and you need in your projects. If you are ready, let's get started. For this, here I've copied and pasted some photos here, like 14 photos, and here in the colors I've added 2 new colors, dark gray and light gray. And here in the layout I've created 2 layouts for the child items, which will be these items, and as the layout of the child recycler view, and here the parent items, and will be this layout as the layout of the parent recycler view. Okay, let me show you the design of these layouts. First of all, let's start with the child item. Here is the item, the single item of the child recycler view. Here I have a card view, and inside the card view I have a constraint layout, and inside this constraint layout I have an image view. Just like this. You can copy the codes, or as you want, you can find the link of the whole project in the description below, and by clicking on it you can go to my GitHub and copy the whole project. Then the parent item. This is the parent item. I have a text view here on top for the title, and a recycler view here, and the orientation of this recycler view is horizontal, and the layout manager is the grid layout manager. Here mainly I have a card view, and inside the card view I have the constraint layout, and this text view and the recycler view are inside this constraint layout. Just like this. And I set the color of this text view to color white, here you can see, and the text size 25 SPs. And in the main activity I have this layout, the constraint layout, and a recycler view widget, just like this. So simple. Here I'm going to create a new package and calling it models, and inside it I need 2 data classes. First of all, parent, data class, and here I need a variable for the title with the type of a string, and another variable it will be a list out of the child data class. Okay, now we are going to create another data class and here I need value of image with a type of integer. Okay, we don't need these classes anymore, and this and this and this and this. Here I need another package, and I'm going to call it adapters for the adapters, and inside it I need two Kotlin classes. First of all, the child adapter, yes, add to git, and here recyclerView dot adapter and child adapter dot view holder will be the view holder of this adapter, and here I'm going to click on it and create the class inside this adapter class, and it will be again extend of recyclerView dot view holder, and by clicking on the bulb and pressing the second item it will be okay. And here I am going to click on the implement members, control, and click on the other items, and okay. Here I need a value, and it will be a list, and I'm going to call it child list. And from the child data class. Okay, get item count will be return of this child list dot size. Okay, and here we have to inflate the layout of this recycler view. So when item view equals to layout inflator from, now I have to pass the context, so parent dot context, and here dot inflate, and the resource or dot layout dot enter dot child item, and then again let me close it and zoom a bit for you. Okay, again parent and false. Okay, and then return to the view holder class this item view. Okay, here I have to initialize my variable, so value img child equals to, let me declare the type of it here, image view equals to item view dot find view by id or dot id dot image child. This image child is here in the layout in the child item. I have this image view, and the ID of this image view is image child here. Okay, and here. I have to set the data on my image view. So first of all, I need the value, and I'm going to call it current item. Equals to this child list, and I'm going to pass the position here. Okay, then holder dot img child equals to dot set image resource, and it will be current item dot image. Okay, everything is done in the child adapter. So let's do the same in the parent adapter. So again, new Kotlin class, and I'm going to call it parent adapter. I'm adding it to the GitHub, and let me zoom. RecyclerView dot adapter, and here I'm going to add parent list, which will be a list of parent data class, and here parent adapter dot view holder. Create the class view holder, and it will be recyclerView dot view holder, and again the other members. Okay, here return the parent list dot size. Here I have to inflate the layout. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Just instead of this, I'm going to use parent item, and here instead of this child, I'm going to write parent. Okay, here we have to initialize the widgets. So let me check the IDs. I have here this text view tv underscore title and the recycler view rv underscore child. So first tv title with a type of text view equals to item view dot find view by IDs or dot ID dot tv title, and here val rv child with a type of recycler view equals to item view dot find view by id dot id dot rvchild, and that's it. And here again we need this current item equals to, this time we have here this parent list, so parent list, and I'm going to pass the position here, then here folder dot first the text view dot text equals to current item dot title, and then I have to write more codes for the recycler view. So first holder dot recyclerView child dot set has fixed size true, then holder dot layout manager, and for the recyclerView child we have to set the grid layout manager, and here I have to pass the context at the beginning, so holder dot item view dot context, then I need a single row, then recyclerView dot horizontal, and then false. I don't want the reverse layout. Okay, and next holder first let me create an adapter for it. Adapter equals to child adapter, then I have to pass this current item dot child this into it, then holder dot rvchild dot adapter equals to adapter, and I think everything is done here. So let's go to the main activity to set the data into the parent recycler view and also in the child recycler view here through these data classes. First of all, I need an array list here. I'm going to call it parent items list, and it is the array list out of the parent data class, and that's it for here. And here I have to declare the recycler view, so rv parent equals to find view by id, the type recycler view, and r.id.rv parent. Then rv parent dot set as fixed true, and then rv dot parent dot layout manager equals to linear layout manager. And here I have to pass the context, so I can simply write this. Then adapter equals to parent adapter, and then I'm going to pass this parent items list, and then here I have to set the data. So I'm going to create this function here. Okay, here I need another list, so I'm going to call it value child items list and equals to array list out of this child data class, and we have to store the items into this array list. First of all, child items dot add child data class, and here I'm going to pass some images. So r dot drawable dot book one and three and here 13. Okay, randomly I'm going to add some images, no matter, as you wish. And then here this parent list dot add and parent data class, and as you remember, in the parent data class we had two variables, the title and then the list. So here I have to pass the title first, and I can, as we had it in the example, right, just best seller, and I can pass this child items list. Okay, the data is stored into these data classes, and here I have the data here, and then I have to pass it to the recycler view. So rv parent dot adapter equals to adapter. Let's check what do we have till now. Okay, the first item of the parent recycler view is here in the card view, and we have multiple items in the child recycler view here. So let's add some more items here to the parent recycler view. For this, simply we can copy all of them and here paste them. And here I'm going to press Ctrl R, and here I can copy this and here the second, replace, and that's okay. So I can close it now, and let's check it again. Okay, we have these two, and if you want you can change the data here. Okay, now we have different pictures, different books, and if you want again the same, you can Ctrl C and Ctrl V, paste them here, and again the same. And I'm going to change them randomly. Here the first one, here the number like 7, here 11, and here let's leave it unchanged, and here the title can be history, and here the title can be maybe favorite. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, bestseller, history, favorite, and it's just like this. You can add multiple items to the parent here, and also multiple items to the child recycler view, just like this. And that was everything about nested recycler view. If you are satisfied with this content and you want to financially support me, you can find the link down below in the description, and by clicking on that link you can buy me a coffee. Thank you. If you find this video interesting, please remember to share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, please write down in the comment box below, and I will be so happy to answer your questions. Remember to subscribe to the channel for new videos. Have a good time. See you in next videos. Bye bye.